How to create a weekly schedule in Notion. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to create a weekly schedule in Notion. First, open Google Chrome and search for Notion in the search bar. Next, click on the first link that appears and go to the Notion website. Make sure you are logged in to your Notion account. If you aren't logged in, do so by entering your credentials. Now, in the Notion workspace, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the page. Turn the toggle on for full width to make the page wider and easier to work with. Then type /calendar in the Notion page and select calendar from the options that appear. Now, you will see an option to link or create a database. Then, click on it and then choose New Calendar. Enter a title for your calendar, such as Weekly Tasks. To start adding tasks, click on the plus icon on any day of the week. After that, enter the title of the task. For example, Gym. After that, check the other options to customize your task as needed. If you want to add more details to your tasks, click on Add a Property and explore the options available. Now, move to the next day by clicking on the plus icon for that day. Here, enter the title of the next task, such as Meeting. You can also add tags, properties, and any other details you need. Repeat this process for each day of the week to complete your weekly schedule. Now, your weekly schedule is set up in Notion, and you can easily manage your tasks for each day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.